Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we will once again be trading a little with BinBotPro. Lately I have been using my own bot. It's this one you see here. I will now start it and we'll go back to the setup and how you even can get the bot to run better than it do for me right now. So let's push run. Then we go to the broker. Then we basically just need to sit and wait for a trade. So while we do that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you push the subscribe button you see on the right side. Also push the like button you see on the left side. You help me tremendously doing so. Also, if you have any question, leave them below the video. So now let's go to the bot. Also, if you like to run this bot also, you can find a link below the video. You need minimum deposit of $250. There is a promo code using my link. That means if you deposit $250, you will receive 500. Or if you deposit 1,000, you get 2,000 and so on. Now let's look at the bot. So this is the bot we are using. It's a made bot. I made it. We just go to edit robot. Basically, here is how you can make the bot run better. As you can see now, all is put on the middle. That means the bot will equally do buy against sell. Okay, so if it's looking for a buy opportunity, it will do so. If it looks for a sell opportunity, it will do so. But what you can do is, the bot is based now on a 7 minutes, right? So if you look on a higher time frame, let's say 30 minutes, right? Then you put a 200 moving average. You find that, you just go here, you choose in the section over here, and you choose just to add an indicator. Of course, push this one there. So you get candle chart. So we can do that now just to see. We put candle chart. We push. Let me see which one it is first. I'm on a tablet, so I can't just hold the mouse over to see what to add. So bear with me. Okay. Maybe it's down here. Let me see. I don't use this broker for manual trading, so that's why I don't know this. So now we take moving average. We scream moving. Then we go down. Then it's the one in the top here. Then we close this. Then we will edit this one. You push this this wheel you see there. You push this. You change this for 200. We go down and we push OK. Then you can see now, for example, with euro. Let's put the chart first now. Let's see. Let me see. Just wait a little. There, okay, they take a little while. Okay, we don't have the option for 30 minutes, so but 50 minutes will work also. We push auto. So here you see a moving average. So with euro against dollar, for example, in the bot we would go back here and we will choose only buy opportunities, because as you can see here now, you see the blue line there, and you see the candle bars are above the blue line. If we are above, that means we are only looking for buy opportunities, and vice versa. So let's choose another one if we can find something that is below. Here we will only do buy opportunities also. We are above. We are above. Here, for example, here we can do both buy and sell because we are basically flat on the chart. So basically, if you look, for example, on this place here, if you see here, for example, from here, you would only look for sell, and as you can see, the market is moving down. That means the chance for winning is much higher. So then you just go to the bot here, and you just move this thing back forward after what you see there. So that if you are below, then you only do sell, right? So this is something you can do. Actually, I think sell you will just turn this one to the right side, then you only do sell. So this is something you can do to make the bot perform even better. So that's something you can think about, because then your win rate is good from before, but you will get a much higher win rate. So that's something you can think about. So that's, I forgot to show you. Let's go back to the bot. My setup is very simple. As every trade that will be done, it's a 7-minute trade. That means I do a MACD on a 5-minute chart. Because when you are in a support and resistance, or you have a trendy market, MACD is a lagging one. So when the cross can take a little time before start to go up. That's why 5 minutes is actually the best time frame for a 7-minute. So that's why I use that. And you needed to put 3 indicators, so then I just chose an RSI and ADAX. So this is actually the way I'm doing it. And this bot has been working very good. So let's go back to the robot. Now let's see. Let's push it again. We are running. Let's see if we have got any trade. Let's see. Still no trade. If the best is just to let it run and wait for a trade. But as of this video, I can't be having a video that is going too long. So that means I will need to take a bot that will give a trade faster. It's not as good as this bot, but in my mind at least. But let's then take the the one. Let's take the number 8. Let's see if that one wants to run. Then we have 2 bots running. It's a good one also. Most of my income based on my channel, well, all the videos I made is from the bot number 8. So it's good also, but I found out later that the MACD is actually even better. Now we got a trade. Then we just stop both bots. And there. I don't know which one that made the trade, but it does not matter. Both are good. So then we go to the, and we bring up the good old calculator just to see what type of profit we will get from this trade. We take 3,717 minus 2,323. That means we are getting $1,394 from that robot. So this is the beauty with BinBotPro, is that you can get so much money in so short time. But keep money management, I have told that in every video, and follow my 3 rules. You can have more rules, you can do things to optimize your bot, but for that it's something you need to work on yourself. I told you now about the MACD, how you can optimize it so you even get a higher win rate. But now let's take the 3 rules. Rule number 3, I start from number 3. Do never trade more. If you lose 3 in a row, stop for the day. The reason for that can be that it's a very trendy market, and then it's very easy to lose. But if you do like I said now with the MACD, and you are trading on the way of the trend, then you will not there's no chance you will lose 3 in a row. So think about that. Edit the robot so you trade in the way of the trend. If you do that, you're golden. But by the way, that's one of the rules I have at least. Rule number 2. Go to investing.com. Go to news calendar. I never trade 1 hour before or 2 hours after a 3-star rule. If there are 3-star rule, I do not trade. That's very important. Rule number 3. Do not be greedy. Don't just go and push this run button and think you can be a millionaire tomorrow. Does not work that way. Because if you break the first rule I gave you, the 3 losses in a row, then your balance will go very fast down and lose everything. Don't do that. You need to follow. This spot is not guarantee that you will win the trade. But what you get with this spot, that you get the very good entries. Because nothing is a guarantee. But you get good entries. And if you treat this spot correctly, you will make money from it. But you need to treat it correctly. Also, many have asked me about the best time to trade. Best time to trade is the Asian session. The reason behind that, all sessions, especially the London session, market is crazy moving up, down. It's very difficult, and you also have many news in the New York session. You have in the in London session. It's crazy how the market is moving. But through the Asian session, the market is very balanced and move very slowly and calm, and then it's easier to trade. Many traders in Forex, for example, they choose to trade only in the Asian session because it's basically the best session for trading. Now let's see when the trade is done. We are still in the profit and the trade is done 30. So 4 more minutes for me to talk with you. So yes, keep this in mind. It's super important. Never break these 3 rules. So if you keep within these rules, keep balanced, follow the trades, know when to stop, you will do very good. But like I said, if you're greedy, push the run button, it can go very bad for you. So this is like everything with Forex also. I have done Forex trading for many years. But did you know that only 5% in the world that is trading Forex are actually making profit? The reason for that is money management. It's not about strategy. If you're following a strategy, you will do good, but you need to have money management. There are so many strategies you can make money with Forex. But if you jump out of the strategy, you get, for example, you are greedy and you put in too much money and be scared. You close trades bad, you open trades bad. It's also a mistake many do. They hold losers longer than they hold winners. So that's also because they are getting scared. As fast as they see something go in the green, they go out. But they should have hold it longer so they get more profit from it. Or when they have a red trade, they want to get back the money. They hold it. The red go more and more, and you lose almost all your account. So this is about everything you do in life. If it's affiliate marketing, when you are testing new keywords, you get greedy, you go into hard. There are so many things in everything you do. So money management is the #1 key for success with anything you do. And this is no different. So keep that in mind when you start with this. If you do everything correct, like I am trying to teach you, you will do very good. Now let's see, there are more 2 minutes. We are still in the money. So then once again, if you want to copy this spot, just look in this video, push pause, Then go to the broker, check the pairs, because if you do all these things, edit all this after the correct values for the trades you're doing, you will do so good, so good, because the win rate will go up like crazy. So there are many things you can do to make things go better, even better than I have done. And then keep in mind, I have already withdrawn $5,000. I will leave a link below this video for this video also, where I did withdraw $5,000. So this for me is pure profit. And after this video, I will have $1,394 more than you see here now. Maybe we'll see that reflected here now. Should be done any second here now. Let's see. There the trade is done. We go to close it. And there you see, this is the value of the trade we did. And this one you see there is the profit. So we made 1,394. Our balance is now 24,628. So very soon now I have made 25,000 from BinBotPro. This time around my plan is to build this up to around 100,000. I think 100,000 will be a very cool amount to withdraw. Then I will do a withdraw of 100,000 and then start over again. I think that will be a very cool. So with that, have a perfect day, and remember, money management is key.